We are going to take a short interview with Mr. John Predescu, the Dean of Romanian Cinematographers in New York. As a matter of fact, the Dean of Romanian Cinematographers in the whole United States of America. How long have you been a cinematographer first? I understand you're not too young, How old are you?
Now, I'm over 70.
Over 70, you're still active and doing the things with the camera, no? I understand you're not using old cameras. I see you have a beautiful digital camera. Tell us about this camera. Did you use this camera for filming this party?
Yes, I use it. I like it very much.
How many pixels, or how you call those? The resolution.
The resolution, you might say, is 10.
10 what? 10 megapixels, gigapixels, or what? Megapixels, no? Only 10 megapixels, no? That's incredible big resolution in today's standards.
It is, but I use also another camera.
What kind of camera? You have a better camera or a...
Look smaller than this one. I prefer on this one so far.
Show us what kind of camera you use.
Now I try to use a new one.
Let me take a zoom of.
I like it very much because it's unusual. He has a camera that you can change the lens.
How are you not taking the lens out? You're just turning the lens.
From wide angle to regular to telephoto. You have a right there. You don't have to remove it. You just rotate them and you select the one you want.
But this looks like an old camera. Is that a digital camera?
Yes, you look. That's the idea of it. You look, but inside is all digital. The latest electronics circuit that you can imagine, he has this. This has a resolution of 25.
25 what? Megapixels?
No, gigas.
Gigapixels?
Gigapixels.
That's incredible. I think, you're making fun of us here. That's not nice.
I'm not kidding. All of them so far, like mine, is 10. This is 25.
Gigapixels? Not megapixels like your camera, no?
Gigapixels. This is
25 gigapixels. That's incredible.
I can take a microbe or a fly to get his head or his eye.
Who makes this camera? I never heard. I'm in the photography and cinematography business too. I never heard of a 25 gigabytes camera. That's incredible. Either Mr. Predescu are telling us stories now, or it's true. Who makes this camera? What? It's made in Japan, in China, where? Would you speak a little louder about this incredible camera? It's a breakthrough in filmography.
It's a new camera, but also it's a new company.
What's the name of the company? What's the name of the new company?
Cascador Films.
And where is that located? Romania or what?
It's here in this country. This country he has a division in a foreign country also. But so far, they want to...
How did you get this? I understand this is one of the prototypes or what?
It is a prototype to try.
But it's a working prototype?
It's a working prototype.
And you filmed this part of this party
yes,
with it?
I did.
And what's the result so far?
It looked fantastic.
And how one can get more information about this incredible breakthrough?
By visiting the internet www.cascador.com.
And one can find information there about it. They put it in the open. They intend to sell this camera to the public.
Technical information and also where you can buy it.
And the price, they give an idea of the price. I understand you got it for free from just to test it because you are an expert on digital camera. How much do you think this camera would sell for?
I have no idea yet, but because it's a brand new one, but you can get the information.
It's going to be expensive? Of course, it could be expensive. But 25, tell me, you're sure this camera has 25 gigabytes?
It was tested by some very special...
What, they send it to a laboratory someplace?
Some experts, of course, otherwise you're going to get bad review. So they send to someplace well-known in this country, which advertise in some newspaper and the magazines.
And it's calibrated to give 25 gigapixels. I'm going to look this in a book, and if we find out that you light on camera.
Many articles about this camera.
You know that there's a law here, you cannot lie on the camera. If you lie about this 25 gigapixel camera, because this is going to be used eventually for an advertisement, so we're going to sue you for perjury. Are you sure it's 25 gigabytes?
It's going to happen. Of course, once you get the warranty, it's going to be better. You're going to have the specification in the warranty.
Have you any idea who invented this camera?
Of course, even I met him, I talked with him about the camera. The president of Cascador Corporation, of video compressor. He did some other invention beside this camera, so it's well known.
Great noses throughout history. Now the greatest nose of all time.
Me, Mr. Nose, in the win by a nose game. Pull my nose, the dice go pop, then raise your nose to the top. Pull my nose, hop a face, jump a row, and lead the race.
Pull my nose, pop a 5, just don't land on nosedive.
Win by a nose is a fast-paced race. See who's first to complete the race. Win by a nose from Pressman.
Great noses throughout history. Now the greatest nose of all time.
Me, Mr. Nose, in the win by a nose game. Pull my nose, the dice go pop, then raise your nose to the top. Pull my nose, hop a face, jump a row, and lead the race.
Pull my nose, pop a 5, just don't land on nosedive.
Win by a nose is a fast-paced race. See who's first to complete the race. Win by a nose.
Great noses throughout history. Now the greatest nose of all time.
Me, Mr. Nose, in the win by a nose game. Pull my nose, the dice go pop, then raise your nose to the top. Pull my nose, hop a face, jump a row, and lead the race.
Pull my nose, pop a 5, just don't land on nosedive.
Win by a nose is a fast-paced race. See who's first to complete the race. Win by a nose.
Great noses throughout history. Now the greatest nose of all time.
Me, Mr. Nose, in the win by a nose game. Pull my nose, the dice go pop, then raise your nose to the top. Pull my nose, hop a face, jump a row, and lead the race.
Pull my nose, pop a 5, just don't land on nosedive.
Win by a nose is a fast-paced race. See who's first to complete the race. Win by a nose.